Hi, so in this video we're going to look at a reduction reaction. So you have been learning so far about what the difference is between oxidation and reduction. So remember, oxidation is the adding of oxygen to a substance, and reduction is when we remove oxygen from a substance. And we're going to start today with this. It's copper oxide. It is a black powder. I've put some just into an evaporating basin here for you to have a look at. So it's a black, it's quite a fine black powder. Now, I've got a layer of it spread out along this tube. This is called a combustion tube. And what we're going to do is we're going to heat the copper oxide in a stream of gas, and it's going to reduce. So it's going to take the oxygen away from it. So it's going to be copper oxide. We remove the oxygen from copper oxide and we should be left with copper. So we should be able to see a copper colour in the tube at the end. So I'm just going to turn the gas on. So the gas comes up through the gas tube and along through the tube. And we're able to light a flame at the end of it here just to show that the gas is going through the tube. And then I just turn the gas flame down so we have a smaller flame that we can see, so it should stay lit during the experiment. And then I'm going to use the other Bunsen burner to just gently heat the copper oxide inside the tube. So watch out for signs that a reaction's happening, see if you can spot some signs. So I've brought the camera around this side of the apparatus so you can have a look and see what's happening inside the test tube. So remember, it started off as a black solid, and as I heat it, it started to change colour. So hopefully you'll be able to see now in the camera that there's different colour inside the test tube. You might see like an orangey browny colour inside the test tube. I'm going to heat it for another minute or two and then we'll tip it out onto the safety mat for you to have a look at to see. So have a look for signs that a reaction has happened inside the test tube. Okay, so I've let it just cool down. And just taking the stopper off the tube, so hopefully you can see that it's gone a bit orange, and underneath it definitely has. And if we tip it out onto the safety mat and have a look at it, so remember it started as an all black powder. You can still see some of the black powder, it hasn't reacted, but then I'm gonna give this a tap, so you can see it's definitely reacted. It looks actually really good, orangey brown colour of copper. So remember, this reaction showed the reduction of copper oxide. So copper oxide had oxygen removed from it and it was turned into copper.